What's going on, everybody?
1.
This is
Starting
Sean,
mission.
aka Scoop P, back again with another DJI Dronelink video. And just to start it off, guys, you guys can see this remote ID area here, and I want to talk about this first. I know I haven't been here in a while. I haven't made a video in a while, but I just want to get back to making my videos again and just catch up on some of the DJI things that's going on with them and Dronelink. But as you can see here, I have a remote ID area that's going on right now, and at first I couldn't get the drone to take off with Dronelink, right? They have the new kernel. I'm on the new software. I'm on the new version. I think it's 4.9.1. I'll put it in the notes if I don't have it. I can't see it right now, but as you can see is that it wouldn't let me take off. And I didn't get this on video, but I had the link below the article that I read. But something is going on with the latest version that it will connect to Dronelink, right? But it kept giving me unable to take off remote ID error. Check with the DJI app to get the remote ID going. But when I went back to the what is it called, the DJI app, and it worked just fine. I can go up, I can do whatever I need to do, connect it. It did give me that error at first, but then it stopped. So when I looked at the forms, it said first you need to do is get the drone up in the air with your DJI app, then switch it over and go to the Dronelink. So what you have to do, guys, is go up with DJI, and you have to make sure you force close the DJI app, because you cannot have them both open at the same time. So once you have that one together, then you'll be able to switch back over to the Dronelink app, and hopefully I'm saying that correctly. And as you can see now, it's mapping the mission for us. We're at a park in Gwinnett County, Georgia, and as you can see, this field looks incredible right now when it's lush and green here. So we're trying to see how many errors we get, if we get any, with this new software. It's been a while since I've done any updates on software or updates on Dronelink, so I want to get back out here, get some parts mapped again, put them back in Maps Made Easy, and I'm going to do a client of Web ODM. And I have a new app too I want to use for mapping those things as well. So let's see what we get. We're at 4%, 5% of the map. I'll speed up the parts that I'm not talking. But once again, guys, you can see this is a era, or it's kind of orange right now. It's not red. So you still can fly once you're in the air with the DJI app. So you just switch over to Dronelink. And once again, you have to use an Android phone. For everybody, I'm on an Android phone, like a OnePlus 12, I think. I'll put the link below if you want to buy this exact one. I'll put the link below. I have the RCN1 controller. I also have the one with the screen on it, but you cannot download any apps on the basic one. You have to get the pro version to be able to download any apps on that, and it's not worth it right now because I haven't been flying as much as I normally do. But still seems pretty smooth right now. I have my height down to 264. I think I'm gonna start going down a little lower too. I'm taking some of your advice, guys, that the people have been mentioning in the comments, that go down a little lower, get more detail into my maps, and that's what I'm gonna try to do. But yeah, just want to get this back up again, get back to mapping, see what changed in the world of mapping in the 8-7 months since I've been gone. But I'll be back with this and other videos as well, so stay tuned to my page. If you guys want to see how I map this again in Dronelink, let me know. I'll go and tell you what plan I'm on. I think I'm on an expert plan, but I can also give you an overview again of how I go through and map those plans. I'm going to get into more waypoints and missions and different things of that as well. But yeah, just comment below if you want me to go over Dronelink again, how you create these maps, and then they automatically load over to your phone too once you have your cloud account. But as you can see, this place is looking great right now. This is going to be a great map, and I think I may come back later and even go a little lower. I think I can get down to like 180 or something, because I don't really see a lot of things in this area right now. It's only lights. There's no power lines or anything, just lights. So should be good on that. But yeah, guys, let me know what you think. I'll go ahead and let this mission to continue to run. And it looks pretty good so far, 24%. We're at 7 minutes to go, 7.5 minutes to go, and is doing pretty well with 72% battery. All right, guys, catch you on the flip side. What do we have? The drone is too far away from the planned path. Please try again by tapping the play button. So don't know what's going on. How did it get off of the path? But let's start it over. So will we consider this an error?
3, 2, 1. Starting mission.
How is it getting away from the path? It should be following the path, so it's going to resume the mission right now. So we will see what is going on, but so far it's been pretty good. Haven't had any errors to force close the app or stop the app, but it should not be getting off the path. So there's still kinks and little bugs here I see, but let's see. We're getting back on mission, so let's go. It did 50% before anything happened, and that's a pretty good improvement over what we used to do.
Accomplished.
Alrighty guys, as you can see, we completed that mission. But yeah, I guess we did have a couple of the errors, or that drone getting too far off the course. I don't know. It should stay on the course. It's locked in, right? Unless the wind is blowing it. It doesn't seem really windy out here right now, so that could be a part of it. But I'm not 100% sure that that has anything to do with it. So I'm just gonna bring the drone down, and we can do a little recap. I'm going to go to another part really quickly and just see, like, is it still going to be a persistent issue, and even getting this main issue solved and having to open up more than one app. So I don't know if you guys can see me on here, if I can lift it up a little bit, but yeah, you should be right in front of it now. But that is me right there. Yeah guys, we're going to continue to map, continue to try this out. If you want me to do anything other than parts that's in this area, give me some tips, some tricks, or whatever you guys think you'd like to see on the channel, and I'll go ahead and get this started back up. But once again, thank you, and see you in the next one.